I'm ready. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back. And today I have a fun little unboxing for you. I make videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. That's how you're doing. Okay guys, I have a fun unboxing for you. I literally have waited over a day for one of these items, and they're not handbags or anything like that, so it makes it a little bit easier when it's not handbags. These are just two accessory pieces that I thought I would love to rock this summer, perhaps rent out for some cash. We shall see. But yeah, I thought I'd share these with you, your thoughts on it. If you think it's a complete waste of money, probably is. However, disclaimer, I do rent out pieces. So I've used some rental money that I've got, and I'll have a little story time why I have some extra money for these particular items. So let's just get to the boxings, and then I'll give you the story later. And this is something, I'm actually paying full price for both of these pieces, which is not something I normally do. So both of these pieces, full price, no discounts or anything. However, they're kind of harder to get. Okay. Here it is. We have a Celine piece. I got this straight from the Celine store. I actually had this, like if this ever came in stock. I have been thinking about getting some of the Celine logo clothes and things like that. However, the ones I've wanted haven't been in stock. So I decided to go with this when this came back into stock, just to see if, it's enjoyable. Plus, I know it's sought after. I will be able to sell it. My goodness, this box, I'm struggling with it. Okay, we're taking the box off. Really nice, comes beautifully wrapped. I've never bought Celine directly from Celine because it's not a designer. If you've seen from my video, it's not a designer I recommend buying brand new, but this piece, not super expensive. And here we go. So we have all our cards and everything here. And here's the piece. I'm hoping it doesn't show like a bunch of dog hair. But I got the Celine logo hat in the black. And this is a size medium, I believe. Yeah, I got the size medium because I do have a lot of hair. You want to be able to keep the hair down. And I also thought, since I rent my items out, that medium might be a great size for all women to make. This is, I believe, a men's hat, but it is adjustable. There is this adjustable thing here. See how it works. I think you just pull it. Yeah, just pull it like that and it gets tighter. So that's exciting. So it kind of just pulls like any other hat in the back to adjust, which is nice, pretty easy to adjust. And it has a little thing here. So let's try this on and see if this is a complete waste of money. Probably. I really love wearing hats. Like, it's something I wear all summer because I have freckles, I have fair complected, so I'm always wearing hats. But I've never really invested in any type of designer hat piece, which is kind of silly because I do wear hats all the time. You think I should maybe invest in something that's maybe a little more stylish? We'll see. But here is the hat here. The medium size. I actually think that fits me pretty good. So here's it just like this. And I did pick the black because I do have red hair, and sometimes when I sweat and things like that, if I have lighter colored hats, sometimes my hair tends to bleed. I know, I'm not a real redhead. Shocking, I know. I do have red in my hair, but definitely not this color. So yeah, I do like this. I do like the adjustment in the back, and I do want to wear this with like my hair in a ponytail, so let's try that. And I thought about getting the Prada version of this because this is right around $400. I believe this hat cost me $395. The Prada one is over. I think the Prada one was like $600, and I did find it on sale for a little over $400, but I'm just not ready to invest in that kind of money. Let's see, how does that look? Oh, I think this is cute. Just ignore the tag dangling down. But I think this is super cute. I think I look cute and classy, and most people are gonna know it's Celine. I know it's like a crazy, stupid flex, but I think I look cute and stylish at the same time. Because the other hat that I've been wearing, because I haven't had ball caps in a while. I used to wear this like trucker hat trend, all that stuff back in the early 2000s, late 90s. I loved hats. So when I'm seeing them coming back, I'm like, I would love to get a hat. And this is, I guess, the adult version because it's more expensive. But the hat that I usually wear, it has on it tea and crime because I love podcasts. So like, it's not as fancy. So now I have like a fancy hat to be wearing out. What do you think, guys? Waste money? Probably, but also chic. So here's the story part on why I'm getting this next particular item. Don't want to hear it, skip ahead. But this particular item, I rent my items out on a platform called Toolery. I've had a great experience with it, but not a great experience with USPS. So I no longer ship USPS. I have my bum bag and my Balenciaga sweater are lost in the postal service. They're completely lost. I did request for them. We don't know where they are, probably got stolen, but Toolery is not responsible because it's not their fault that it got stolen. However, they are actually working towards trying to find me another bum bag and a sweater that was in the condition mine was in. So they are currently looking into doing that to try to replace it for me. So that's great. It's been since February, so that kind of sucks. Well, the next thing that had happened that was like a fluke thing, again, it's USPS being terrible. So I use FedEx now to ship all my items. So someone had rented my dad's sandals in the raffia. So the raffia color, I've had those sandals for about 2 years now, love them, but I also have them in the black. And I have thought about selling the raffia sandals. Not, but I was renting them out. They were making me money. So I just thought, I'll still wear them. No need to trade them out. So I decided just to keep them because they were making me money. Well, someone had rented my sandals. She's very nice. She sent them back, but I noticed the FedEx wasn't tracking. The number said there was an error, all this stuff. So I talked to Toolery and they said okay, and they talked to the person who had rented the items from me, and the shoes she sent accidentally to USPS drop off. So normally Toolery items are sent USPS. I have requested FedEx. I requested not sending them USPS. They use FedEx for rush orders, but because of my situation, they're trying to fix the app so that will show up, because I have had people print labels and it's the USPS label because that's what shows up on the app instead of the label I give them. Those items have all come back to me. However, they're trying to fix and update the app, but you know how hard that is to do. So this particular person did not do it on purpose. She was very sweet. She loved it, and she just sent it to a drop-off. Had she gone into USPS, then they would have told her, hey, this is FedEx, don't go in, but she just did a drop off. So she went back to her local mail and said, hey, these sandals, I sent them here and they're supposed to go to FedEx. What's gonna happen? And they said, oh, we'll just send them over to FedEx, no big deal. I thought no big deal. So it has now been over a month and the sandals have not come back to me. And I did tell Toolery, I said, I'm gonna give it a month to see if they come back to me. If they don't, I do want her to reimburse me the retail cost of the sandals. I wasn't gonna make her pay what current retail is because they were used sandals, just what I paid for. They agreed and had been over a month. So I got paid $1,350 that I had paid 2 years ago for these particular sandals. I did tell her if they do show up, I will reimburse her for that, or if she wants them, I can send them to her. So that's why I have this extra money and why I have purchased, spoiler, another pair of sandals. These are not Chanel sandals because I do have the other dad sandals that I did wear more. I decided to invest in this pair of sandals, which is right on the $750 mark, which I wouldn't normally have bought had I not had this extra cash. So that's why this is not a look just like the dad sandals that I ever thought I would rock, but there's glitter on it. So obviously I'm a sucker for glitter if you haven't seen from all my past videos. So let's open it up. So these shoes I got from Bergdorf Goodman, and they are doing like 15%. Like they do really high cash back from Rakuten. If you don't know what Rakuten is, I'll put the link down below. These are since sold out everywhere, so unfortunately you can't get these, but you can still get the Rakuten points. Here's how they come, all nice and wrapped. And here they are. As you can see from the box, I got a pair of the Manolo for Birkenstock sandals. These reach around $750, which I thought is a pretty reasonable amount for Manolos with glitter. And these sold out really fast. These came on the market in, it was like April, end of April, these came out. And I was like hawing over it, but I was like, you know what? I'll get the pink for the price. I thought, you know, they are doable, but I hawed too much that they did not have the pink available in these. So I went with this one. Cute little dust bag. I'm curious to see if the quality is amazing or if it's Birkenstock quality. Okay guys, here it is. So these are the Birkenstock in the leather, and I got these in the size 38. I probably would have liked to get a size smaller. It just was not available. I got the last one in my size, and the inside of this Birkenstock is the leather. And one thing I hate about Birkenstocks was the toe lines that you could see. I've always hated that look. So this being a different material, I thought this might actually be good for me because I just hate when you have the toe lines. Anyone else hate that? Look how absolutely gorgeous these are. They're gonna be super comfortable, but there's freaking glitter on this, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Let me open the other one. I really hope they're not too big. That's the only thing I'm worried about because it's a wider shoe. Like a 37.5 would have been perfect, probably, or a 37. What I really love. I love the glitter here, and you have the Birkenstock on the side. I wish it would have said Manolo on the side instead of Birkenstock, but I mean, it's their particular shoe. So here are these close up. Again, you have them. They're an all leather shoe. You have the leather interior. You have an amazing grip right here. I do like that these are in the black, so they'll be really easy to clean up. The reason I hemmed and hawed over the blue and the pink version is because it was a satin material, so I was really worried it would get dirty really easily, and then I would be afraid to wear them. I don't think I'm going to be afraid to wear these particular shoes. And look at that glitter and shine. So cute. So if there ever was a Birkenstock designed for me, like, I think this is it. So let's try them on. So here they are on me. I need to get my toes painted, so ignore that. But these are actually, they fit me really well. They actually fit really well here. I think they adjust too because of the clips on the side. They do adjust, but I'm not, like, I feel like my foot, this is like molded to my foot really, really well. I mean, they do have, like, you know, when you walk, there's a little bit of a sound to them, but not too bad. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. So what do you guys think of these items I purchased? Like, I really think, like, I'm trying to, like, money that I invest. Yes, you know me, I'm crazy. I like fun things, but I'm trying to really think about what I'm buying. And then if I'm actually going to use these particular pieces, then instead of just getting like heels and stuff like that, I have a few heels that I invested in, just basically just one this year. But I know myself, this is something I'm going to wear more than I would ever wear heels, to be honest, especially like aging, like your feet start to hurt, guys. Oh, spoiler, things start to hurt as you age. I'm getting closer to 40. So yeah, guys, I really love these. What do you think? Is this a crazy purchase? I know, like, I think Caitlin Blowski has like 3 or 4 of these. I think she has the whole set. Did any of you purchase these? What do you think? I'm actually pretty impressed. My foot is super happy in these. Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know what you are investing in. Have you opened anything lately? Have you shopped for things that you not normally would have shopped for? Does your shopping kind of change as you age? I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.